Imaginein mo to ha. Sige. Imaginein mo to, ito yung materials sa factory mo. Putangina, ang pangit no, Nutella to. Imaginein mo na lang, malaking container yan, you have this second. Oo, sige, ganyan. Brought to you by Nutella. You open this one, then you fill it with coconut milk entirely. Then, you close it. Ang sarap naman ng Nutella. You burn it in here with fire, lulutang ang langis. Then you open the leverage, it will flow in here. Then this will become your oil. It will fill it up. Langis na yan. Next, you will burn it and burn it and burn it para maging krudo. Dito po